Hello guys, I am IK. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we are unboxing another Nike Air Force One. So today's variant is in white, red and blue color. A very attractive Nike Air Force One in white color. As you can see, the outer material of the shoe is white leather. The Nike logo or the tick of the Nike is somewhat a carpet type material in red and blue color. The outer sole is again a hard rubber, which give toughness to this basketball shoe. As you can see from the side, from the back, it has Nike Air logo, white laces. The inner material is textile and the inner sole is in blue color with a Nike Air Force One logo. As you can see, a very beautiful, attractive white and black color Nike Air Force One. If you have seen my previous videos, you may have seen the same variant of Nike Air Force One in black and white color. Although the material of this Nike Air Force is leather, however, the previous black and white color variant was in somewhat suede, or you can say a nubuck material. However, the look and feel of the shoe is somehow and somewhat very similar. So very attractive, very beautiful Nike Air Force One in white and black, white, red and blue color. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to comment and like so that we can receive your feedback. So until next time with another variant or another model of Nike basketball shoe. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.